How to create categories in your WordPress WooCommerce product. So your products categories. So we know that your post has a default categories, and if you go to products after installing WooCommerce, you can see a categories also. So from there you can create categories for your products. So name your categories and your categories slug. You can change it, and your parents category. So what is a parent category? So if you select a parent category, then your right category, the name you use, it will be a subcategory like this. So this is my parent category, and all of these are subcategories. So here you can create a categories and subcategories also, and if you set it to none, then your categories will be a parent category like this.